Hunt Forest Group, we know great people keep great businesses moving. Our parts advisors and parts managers are at the centre of the operation, supporting customers, technicians, and some of the best machinery in the industry. We caught up with Charlie from our Blashford branch to find out what it's like to be a parts advisor.
Hello, I'm Charlie. I'm a parts advisor here at the Blashford depot at Hunt Forest Group. I've been here just over 7 months, and I'm here to tell you a little bit about the job. I applied for this job because it's a really good entry point into the agricultural industry. I thought it'd be a good challenge for me. I haven't got a big background of working in agriculture. I've got a bit of retail experience, which helps with the job. And yeah, it's a really good challenge, and I thought I'd enjoy it, so I just got on and applied. I've had a couple of years in retail experience prior to this job. It definitely helps having some experience, but you'd have no problem if you're starting fresh. There's lots of support around in the team, lots of people to ask, and lots of friendly faces around. In terms of training, I've had lots of John Deere parts training on their dealer portal, and it's all really good. You go through all the different fields and different types of parts and oils and liquids and everything there is. I've had training at other depots. I've had upselling and retail training. That was done by an outsourced training company, and it was really, really good. Enjoyed the few days up there when I done it. And there's just constant training ongoing within the depot with the team. There's always new things to learn. But as well, I'm set my own tasks to crack on with and focus on. And it's nice to have my own things to be working on. As well, I've got a few customers that come straight to me. One of them is quite a big customer that I'm quite proud of. I work with them to get them the right parts, and it's very rewarding. It's different all day long, every day. You're never doing the same thing. It's always challenging. It's always fun. It's always, we're always having a laugh. It's brilliant. I would say the best thing about working for Hunt Forest Group is definitely the people. Second, I would say the sort of company benefits. They're just brilliant. The last place I worked, not great at all. You definitely benefit from working here. Working for a family-owned business, but it's still, a decent-sized company. We've got 7 depots across the south and southwest, and you can, just talk to anyone. Lots of friendly faces around if you ever need a hand. Yeah, it's really good. If you wanted to apply to this position, I would just say go for it. See what happens. If you get an interview, great, try your best. If you get the job, then well done, you're in the agricultural industry. You'll be up for a challenge, but it's an amazing challenge. It's a very good experience, and it's a lovely place to work. You definitely don't need a lot of experience for this job. All the training is provided. If you're ever unsure about something, you can ask anyone. Not even one of your parts colleagues. You can ask anyone in the depot, and the chances are they'll be able to help you or direct you to the right person. What keeps my role interesting is definitely the variety of work, the variety of people, because at this depot we cover a lot of turf care and grounds care. So we see councils to homeowners all the way up to big farmers, and it's so interesting to meet all these different people and, you know, get chatting with them. And it's the variety of work, all the different people that are here. I think it's just everything about this job is a huge variety, and it's really enjoyable.
Join the team behind the machines at Hunter Forest Group and apply today.